Here's section 3. I'll play it for you, then I'll teach it. Here's section 3, lick number 1. 1, 2, 3. Starts out with a pickup, same one we've been doing. Slide from the 5th fret to the 6th fret on string 3. And then on the 2nd string, play fret 5 to 7. Then you're going to do your double stops again, barring at the 5th fret, top 2 strings from the half step below. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then you're going to do the same thing on these double stops, which are down here on strings 3 and 2, and it's going to be the 9th fret of the 3rd string and the 8th fret of the 2nd string. So I'm sliding from half step below, and I'm also picking near the bridge. So from there, I'm just going to play the 3rd string, slide it down a whole step, down a whole step from there to the 5th fret, 4th string, 7 to 5, then double stops, which is going to be the same slide, but this time with 2 notes. So half step slide from string 3 into string 2. Strings 3 and 2. Slide back from fret 8 to fret 7, and then down to fret 5. And then 4th string, fret 7, fret 5, fret 7. That was a little long. Let's review that. Here it is again. Slow. 1, 2, 3. Two, 3, 4. And here's section 3, lick number 2. I'm going to start up here. I'm going to play what they call descending thirds, but that doesn't matter. So I'm going to start up here with these 2 notes on the top 2 strings. D at the 15th fret of the 2nd string, and F sharp at the 14th fret of the 1st string. I'm going to play and 4 and 1, and then slide down. So 1, 2, 3, and. So the pickup is and 4 and, like all of our other pickups. 1, 2, 3, and. And I slide down a whole step. Then I'm going to do the same thing, but this time the intervals are different. I'm going to play 12th fret of the B string and 10th fret of the E string. And 4 and then slide that interval down a whole step. Then I'm going to start here at the 7th position, the 9th position, and play the same thing down in another key, actually back in A. So that's going to be 10th fret of the 2nd string and 9th fret of the 1st string. Then I slide down a whole step from there. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 3. Okay? Then I'm going to do the same thing using these interval shapes, which is going to be in the 5th position, 7th fret of the 2nd string, to the 5th fret of the 1st string. And slide down using that same shape, but slide down 2 frets or a whole step. So let's review just that section now, starting way up here. A 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm going to go way up here to this position. I can't even count that high. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16th. 16th position. I'm going to play these intervals up here. 17th fret of the 2nd string and 16th fret of the 1st string. Take that interval, slide it down a whole step. Again, the pickup is and 4 and. 1, 2, 3. Second half of that lick is this interval at the 12th position, 14th fret of the 2nd string, 12th fret of the 1st string. And I'm going to slide that down 2 frets or a whole step. And then I go back up to the 12th fret, and I'm going to play. So I have the 12th fret of the 1st string, 13th fret of the 2nd string. I'm going to play them both and bend the 2nd string. Okay? Then the third time, I'm going to play the bend and then a quick pull off. Not really a pull off. Yeah, you could do it as a pull off, I guess. It's acceptable both ways. So I'm going to pull off from A to G, or 14 to 12 on the 3rd string, and then down to the 14th fret of the 4th string. So now let's go back and play section 3 in its entirety at a reduced tempo. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3.